Hello world, how you doing, guys? This is my last few hours in Saigon, in Vietnam in general. I decided to book the tour by the bus, like a red bus in London. They have here also like a city tour, so I should have around the 1 hour ride around the center of Saigon in Vietnam. I got this also fancy hat, Vietnamese, actually cool. Finally, I got myself picture of that. So I'm just in the center, there is the fountain. I also used to vlog here around by night, but now I'm gonna drive around, so that's great opportunity to making the live stream. It should start in just 5 minutes, maybe less. So seems like not so many people yet around. This is the opera. And yeah, so that's my last afternoon in Vietnam. Tomorrow morning at 8 I have a flight to Bali, guys, so of course I don't want to overforce myself too much on the last day, and also decided that if I can make a live, it's good for you guys. We can chat together, especially you during the live chat at the beginning. Also you can watch previously later the playback. There's some couple making the photo session, yeah, behind me. It's a little bit hot. I took afternoon trip for the sunset, because last time I used to work here at night and was like at night, so it's a little bit different. I hope so you enjoy. Also, this is totally non-edited video, so if we stop somewhere and we're gonna wait, that you're gonna see this is like virtual reality tour, what you could have it actually by yourself. But meanwhile, please enjoy, and I just gonna have a seat somewhere here, and I hope so we're gonna move soon. I just wonder if gonna be more people join in the last minute. Maybe I'm actually sounds a little bit weird because it's still very hot and I'm already in the bus. However, I wanted to have a great spot so I can hold the camera, you know, in the perfect way for you guys. And yeah, honestly, I'm really impressed about Saigon and in general about the Vietnam. So let's see how's the tour look like around driving. At least I'm so happy as I don't have to walk in the last 2 weeks, 16 days actually, no, even more. Almost 3 weeks actually. I walk a lot. I lose like 8 kg of my weight, so that's actually good. But my legs are already painful, guys. So waiting for the tour. Should start soon. By the way, this is the fountain where I used to walk last time. It was actually very busy at night, so now it may be quiet, but also it's very hot. So I'm not sure actually how does it work here in Vietnam. In my opinion and my observations after being here for over a week, everything is going busy when it's night. So yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, I will show you a little bit of the city around before we're gonna go. So the city of Saigon, and in general the Vietnam is developing a lot, especially in the past 5 years since 2017. A lot of things has changed a lot. And check this out, how the center is clean actually. Many people was saying the Vietnam is a little bit messy, it's gonna be dirty and many other stuff like this. And however, I'm so excited and so impressed about that. Look at this, the Chrysler 300C Discovery Channel, what's going on here. I didn't see many things yet, like a Cobra market unfortunately, and Cobra wine, something like that. However, I will have opportunity to come back one more time here. This is the opera, also the park looks pretty nice. There are already some tourists come here, some of them at least, so that's good. I'm not gonna be alone here. And it's very nice here. I think we're gonna start very soon. There's also so much development. They're building like a road over there, or something like that. There is an over construction over here. Okay, this one actually looks quite old in the center, but yeah, quite a lot of things is happening around. And yeah, the park actually also looks very nice here, and another reconstructions here. Let's see, waiting. I hope so. The bus gonna start in a few minutes. Actually, it's supposed to start now, so I hope so. It's just gonna start literally now. But let's see. And the sunset time. I heard that the doors are closing. I hope so we're gonna go soon. It's a little bit hot actually, sitting just not moving, so I don't mind if I'm gonna have a little bit of the wind. Nice. Yeah, some people, but not too much. That's good. Picture. Opera. Architecture. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Engine starts, and I think we're gonna go soon. There's some workers going for lunch or after work. Maybe after work at that time. So many people. I mean, not so many, but nice. All right, let's go. Hello. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And we are going for the tour. There's some also YouTubers with the GoPro. That's good. Oh my god, finally we go somewhere. So that's actually perfect for live stream, because that will be very hard to make a video like a live. I mean, like a regular video, I guess, because so much editing, cutting, you don't know what is interesting more or less. So now I can just peacefully sit, relax, and watch the beautiful city center of Saigon, Vietnam. Guys, if you just found this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and stuff like this. You know what to do. This is the City Hall Palace. Very nice as well. I saw it last time during the night time. Now it's a good opportunity to see during the daytime, afternoon time. I just hope it's not gonna be rain. I didn't get caught by rain yet in Vietnam, and this is last my few hours. So I hope so. We're gonna keep it that way. Also little traffic. Didn't want to sit at the front. I hope so you don't mind, guys. But thanks to that, as I'm sitting here, I have a view like this, and also nobody is sitting next to me, so I can always move around. And yeah, that's how it is. I'm gonna show you maybe on the white lens, like this, which one is better. You can let me know, guys. Maybe a little bit of this and this. Oh, little traffic. But honestly, I'm so happy as I can chill today. No need to work, and we drive. I was already starting to be melting. It's actually very hot in Vietnam, keep it in mind. My friend told me it's in Hanoi when I was 2 days ago. Yesterday actually. As there was the so cold week ago, but for me it was super hot. Anyway, I'm gonna show you around. I hope so you will enjoy. Oh, look at this tank actually, by the way. Whoa, what the, whoa. The tank, nice. Oh, and the jet and the chopper, very nice indeed. Hold on, maybe I can zoom it for you a little bit. Of course, there's so many museums, tunnels, many things what I wish to have a time enough to come and visit for you guys. But like I said, I will come back with Winnie one day, and we're gonna visit the rest of the places. Vietnam have a lot of things to show. This one, Minh is very impressed. I really like it. A lot of things to show. All right, that's how it looks like. I'm not sure actually if at the front will be better to sit. I don't know. I feel here enough. Anyway, I will have the vlog making a live using the camera of 360 degree. I don't even know if they are cameras of 360, but I'm not sure if you can make a live stream. Anyway, how did you will watch it? Not sure. So I hope so you enjoy anyways. And it's still more dynamic actually than walking, because walking is the slowest one. This guy, only one foreigner actually. The rest looks Asian. I mean, maybe they're actually foreigners also, but different countries from Southeast Asia or Asia. But if we are talking about the foreigner look, white people, this guy is only one tourist. Still not that many. Hold on, maybe I'm gonna put the camera outside. Well, I hope so. I'm not gonna hit by this one. Oh, that's actually an interesting idea. I have to think twice before I'm gonna start doing something. Oh, it's alright. All is good, guys. Here we go. Whoa! This is the park. I had a very nice park. My hotel is somewhere around here. I also go somewhere around here to the Starbucks Reserve over there. So actually we're gonna pass my hotel for the last night. And yeah, park is very clean. Actually they are rubbish bins. Honestly, I'm really impressed about the cleanliness of the Vietnam. Like I already said at the beginning of the video, it's changing a lot and dramatically. I think in the past 5 years, but in the next 10 years, the Vietnam will be so hyped. I really think there will be so much around in Vietnam, and there will be so many people coming to Vietnam. And Vietnam gonna be really tourist area in Southeast Asia, guys. There's so much potential around. And well, I saw yesterday in Da Nang, I mean few days ago, messing up with the days. Okay, this is at the front, I think this is the Independence Palace, as Vietnam got, okay, maybe I will stand actually. As the Vietnam got independence and they had the palace here, but I'm really not sure about that. Don't want to make a silly mistakes with saying something what I'm not sure, but I think so. Anyways, yeah. All right. Traffic. Actually, standing is also nice. Just have to be careful. Nice palace. Unfortunately, I think it's closed or it's open during the early hours. And yeah, welcome to Saigon, Vietnam. Really great to be here. Wow, this bus gonna go by this small road. Dang, interesting. Well, that's nice. So we are driving around the parking area. This Lexus. Hope so he not gonna crash him. No, I mean, I car like it will be my car. That is so funny, actually. Yeah, so it's nice to be here. Really nice, enjoying. Highly recommend it. Actually, I forgot to mention you guys. I booked it online, pay by debit card. Cost me only $7, 150,000. Dongs, Vietnamese currency, but this is like less than $7 actually, 650, something like that. It's supposed to drive about 1 hour around, so yeah, some tourists actually, European. Another photo session. Hello. Yeah, nice. Okay, this is like a cathedral, something like that, under the renovation. There's some skyscraper, but this is like a cathedral. Hold on, I'm gonna change the lens into wide. It's probably gonna be beautiful when they're gonna finish. Actually, it's old already, right? Maybe I'm gonna record a little bit using the wide lens also. Here we go. This is like a Christian cathedral. Not sure if Catholic or Protestant. So again, don't want to make silly mistakes. Yeah, looks nice. So the bus looks like this actually. That's the different one. And this lady is showing something. Not sure. Showing to me this guy wearing hat like a Santa Claus. Oh, that's so cool. All right. I don't know if we're gonna stop and we have to go out, or I would like to actually just drive, to be honest. So Saigon à la Poste. This is the cafe and post office used to be, I think. There is like an Apple reseller. I was passing this morning, this place actually. I don't really want to go out actually. Maybe walking around a little bit, but yeah, nice. Very nice to be here, guys. Very nice indeed. Not sure what is this building. Also realizes if I'm having a bus like this, I can peacefully moving the camera without much moving and shakiness. So I hope so the quality is good. You can let me know in the comment section. Also the internet in Vietnam is amazing. I'm really impressed about that. So Saigon, Da Nang, Hanoi, Hoi An, everywhere the internet was just amazing. So one of these places is like Bali and Jakarta, but in Indonesia you don't have so much fast internet for some reason. So that's good. I hope so the quality is good enough for you guys. Also interesting fact, I don't know if I already mentioned, 50% of Vietnamese people are unreligious one. They believe into folk. So, but still you can find a lot of churches, cathedrals. That's because of the French history, right? French colonialize. I think most of the French people are Christians, like most of the Europeans anyway. So yeah, that's how it is. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is the coffee shop in the front, people making pictures. Not sure how long we're gonna stay here, but we should go soon, very soon, right? Cool place. There is also so much photo sessions everywhere around in Vietnam. I mean, the people, not only ladies, but the people really like to making pictures here. I think Instagram was already popular here, like everywhere in Asia, and Southeast Asia actually, because well, obviously in China I think it's not allowed, right? But yeah, this cathedral, if will be open and finish the renovations, it could be nice to visit. Ho Chi Minh City Book Street. Yeah, like I said, there's so much things around, and even more what I don't even know about that. But yeah, I'll have opportunity to come again, make some more videos in the future. That's for sure. Meanwhile, also the construction here is not by bamboo, like in Bali they do. I mean this thing, yeah, I forgot. Sorry, my English is so bad. Already tired. Meanwhile, a little bit of the traffic of Saigon. Yeah, the main roundabout, one of them. And here we go, another building, Diamond Plaza, skyscraper also. And okay, maybe on the other side is something more, kids skating. Also so many YouTubers around, local one. This building, People's Committee of District 1. Hello. This little girl was looking at me. What this guy is doing? Standing in the bus and making videos. It must be so funny, right? It's good to be a tourist again. Like, you know, like a proper tourist. That's how it looks like. Honestly, maybe the light is not the best, but this is already rush hour, so it's gonna be busy on the street. And when it's busy, it's more interesting. And second of all, the sun is not melting me because if it's so hot, it's actually so hard. Even when I was waiting like how many? 5 minutes maybe before we start, that was already so hot. And yeah, that's how it is. Here we go, guys. Saigon City. But you have to agree with me, especially for you guys who used to be in Vietnam in the long time ago. Like I know some of you used to travel many times and many years earlier. Saigon and especially in general Vietnam has changed a lot, right? There's some ambassador car, I think. So much has changed here, right? I'm pretty sure about that, guys. Also, yeah, what is this building looks like? I'm not sure, actually. Definitely next time I have to come with Winnie, that's for sure, 100%. Oh, look at this guy, look at this. I don't know, people filming this building, okay, but the traffic for me is more interesting actually. But yeah, for me traffic, but maybe I'm different. Oh my god. It's good to be in the big city, but tomorrow I'm flying back to Bali, So will be the island life again. I hope so you're still excited about that. And I hope so you enjoyed my series from Vietnam, from Singapore. Some of the videos went better, some of the videos went worse. I think it's pretty normal. This Highland coffee is everywhere in Vietnam. That must be local brand. Little traffic situation. Also so many cars, different cars driving in Vietnam already than in Indonesia. There is no Suzuki APV and there is no Toyota in Avanza in Vietnam. In Novas, yeah, like this one, but Avanzas no. And it's so much more Hyundais, Kias, Mazdas, any kind of other Toyotas. Totally different cars than in Indonesia. Oh, here we go. The construction of the building here. Another skyscraper is gonna be. So much developments. I spoke with the friend, he said as most of these buildings what we see right now, like this one, the construction over here, there wasn't actually exist like 5 years ago. So this is all pretty new stuff everywhere here. So very interesting. So much sessions here, moving around, staying in the little traffic. UOB, I think this is a bank from Singapore, Central Plaza. I mean, I saw these banks in Singapore so much. I think they are Singaporean banks, but I'm not sure about that. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Big city life. Stuck in the traffic a little bit. This guy with his wife, he was without mask all the time, and now because they're gonna make a selfie, he put the mask. So the guy don't really, don't wanna wear a mask, but for some reason she asked him to wear. I'm not sure why. Maybe she have to, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. That's how it looks like. The situation around. I'm gonna move 360 one more time. Traffic here, also very interesting. So much traffic around. Actually, I also was thinking maybe these people are wearing a mask because of the pollution, Not really about actually, what, because the pollution in Vietnam is actually, especially in Saigon, is really very similar to Jakarta. So even I'm walking here, talking here already for a while, I already can feel in my throat a little bit like discomfort because of the pollution. But anyway, check this out, the amount of motorbikes and the cars. So no wonder, now I understand. Anyway, long time ago, the people was wearing a mask just because of pollution, especially while driving a motorbikes. So yeah, that's how it is. What is this building at the front? Not sure. Stuck in the traffic. Not sure actually what is the best time to take this trip. If would you like me for recommendation, guys? I chose like a sunset time because I still wanted during the daytime, but I didn't want it to get melted earlier where it was so hot. And also didn't really wanted to do it by night because, well, I used to vlog a little bit by night in the center, so beside this one will be different, right? Different perspective. Petrolimex Saigon, this is the headquarters of the petrol company in Vietnam, because Petrolimex gas station is just next to my hotel. My hotel for the last night is actually next to petrol station, gas station. Very interesting fact. And yeah, there are also some buildings with graffitis here around, so it's like this. There is some YouTube session. However, I'm not sure how he's making the audio without the microphone. Very interesting. But yeah, good pose. Very good pose. So many also young YouTubers in Vietnam. That's also good. All right, action here with the ambulance. What's going on? Oh my God, the bus didn't let him go. Seriously, like tour more important than the bus with the people laughing. Now you know. Now you know why this is called Saigon, right? So hectic. All right, let's go. Where we are going now? Why we are stopping here actually? What is around? Viva Land. Some building. He stopped, but it's closed, and I'm not sure. All right, this is another the museum, I think. This is the museum what somebody asked me about that. Jets, rockets, very nice. Definitely I should come to this place, see these things. Definitely, but I need to a little bit study about that, read more about that, and come again. And another tank, 848. They must have a lot of stuff like this in Vietnam, especially in Saigon. Yeah, on the next occasion, guys, I will come back to Vietnam, that's for sure. Especially as everything here is still affordable. Still, but I have to be in rush. Come again in this year or eventually next year. Otherwise, there will be already, I think, much more developed each year. But I will come back just with Winnie, guys. All right, this is more looking local street here. Let's have a look. What's going on? Banh mi queue, of course, banh mi everywhere. Driving on the footpath is also pretty common. This is very similar to Bali actually. Some dental clinic, some cafe, another construction, another ban trunk, nice cafe kidnap. Oh, I got hit by the tree. I have to be very careful with that. Oh. Yeah. Another some construction. Like I said, everywhere around there will be something. I don't know if they are actually all together vlogging. They are like a group of people or what they are doing. OCB. This is, I think, this is different bank. When I was withdrawing money. This is a little bit of the messy view, a little bit of the old Saigon. But only a little bit actually, it's not that much as it was, or at least what I was expecting as people told me. Avoiding traffic by the footpath, normal, common thing. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is the, what is it called? Sugarcane. Another cafe. Nice. Oh, the driver get pissed off, I think, from the way how he drive. Here we go. Main street, YouTubing. Oh, nice. So many motorbikes. And VIN fast cars, banks. I'm not gonna show you too much skyscrapers, right? Like banks. Oh, Heineken building. It must be like a beer street or something, but in Saigon. All right, a little bit of the traffic again. Hope so, guys, enjoying my last day and last live tour. Oh my God. Little bumpy. Alright, guys. So funny. This Fortuner. 12 seconds. Go. Anyway, guys, I hope so enjoy. Big thumb up, guys. That's really helpful. Cost you nothing, is totally for free, but it's so much helpful for the purposes of the YouTube recommendations. Oh, look at this messy traffic. Yeah, but it's so cool. So guys, big thumb up. and let's enjoy together. All right, that's how it looks like. I hope so the colors are all right, because there is little bit problem with the autofocus on the sky. If I hold like this, the sky is colorful, but if I hold like this, the sky is white. And if I gonna set up manually autofocus, they will be blurry. So little bit of technical issue, but I hope so you understand, especially during the live. It's totally different than filming. And that's how it is. Traffic is getting better and better. Always remember, guys, more later, more closer to 6, 7, 8 p.m. there will be more better traffic around. I mean, it's gonna be more and more busier, especially like at 5, starting from 5 from the rush hours. Yeah. What is going on around here? There is some really like serious YouTubing here, serious conversation, explanation. This must be local cafe. Oh yeah. Honestly, when you are driving right now, when it's already like a sunset time, it's still actually very hot. So hot. Hello. Driving. Not sure how long it's gonna be this live, guys. So just enjoy. Nice buildings here. I don't know if they are private houses or hotels or what is it. The driver is driving a little bit sharp, like for this sort of entertainment. Oh, that's cool. So cool. If I'm not gonna hit the top of the tree only, it will be alright. But no, it's okay. They're selling some paintings there. Some street food. Also street food in Vietnam, it looks completely different than in Bali or in Indonesia in general. Herbal nutrition, this MLM is everywhere. Unbelievable, even in Vietnam. Oh, this is somewhere here was the Vietjet airline when I was buying the ticket in my first day in Bali. Oh, this one, here we go. In case if you need it, so it's in the District 1, because if you're buying ticket to Bali from Vietnam, you cannot pay on online. I don't really know why it's like that, but it is like that. So this is like a roundabout. Some backpackers. This is some memorial. Should be fire on the top, I think, but seems like it's old little bit, or maybe it's no fire during the current situation. We are going into small lane somewhere here. Whew. What this guy is doing? Oh, he's fixing something. Electrician next to ITM. So cool. So cool vibing around. Very nice. The banks, I think everywhere looks the same. Nice buildings. These people at the front, actually they're making the video something similar like me, but only chasing straight what is at the front. Not sure. Maybe for the personal collection. And yeah, so many nice hotels actually around. There will be some development here, empty land. Something is gonna happen around for sure. Whew. But honestly now, after driving like a half hour, it's actually so hard to breathe. Seriously, like the pollution is very hard. This must be school. Yeah, the school. They finish actually quite late. Maybe they actually start late also. I'm not sure. I also heard as now at school they have to learn so many languages. I mentioned already many times as they don't really speak English in Vietnam. However, somebody told me another one. This nice plane, helicopter. So many museums of military museums. But of course, if you're familiar or if you're not familiar, you can Google. They had so much wars in Vietnam, especially in famous war with American people and with America before colonialized. So the history of Vietnam is so you know, so much was happening around. I'm not really good with talking about the history. However, if you're interested, you can Google about that. Of course, the basics I know, right? Hello! Oh, I was too focused. The lady who waved to me as I nearly get hit by the tree. Good to be. I found a dog, and the lady was having a dog. First time, I think, or second time in Vietnam. Open 24/7, some foodie. And yeah, that's how it is. That's how it's going. Tubing. This is actually this view what we have here, this building and this one and this one. This is probably how does it was looking in the Vietnam long time ago everywhere, guys. And this is probably what many of you guys who coming to Vietnam in the 70s, 80s, it looks like this actually. I'm pretty sure about that. But now the views like this are very rare nowadays in Vietnam. If you go to Jakarta on every corner, but in Vietnam, no. And say, what was that? Somebody crashed? This was the sound of the crash. But maybe not. And I hope so not, because stuck here during the live is not good. Buns for 29,000. Oh, the tree again. Hello. Hello. So yeah. Dental clinic again. It's like a city. Nice looking shop, cafe, some foreigners sitting inside. Well, basically city is waking up at sunset time, staying late night. However, I have a flight at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I have to wake up at 4:30 or something, or 5 at least, no later than 5. That's made be very hard for me. That's why this is the last thing what I'm doing. And after that is my time, relax, and that's it. Cannot show you the nightlife in the last day. Even I wish, but cannot. On different occasion, guys. Vietnam is still just waking up after the lockdown for 2 years, so it definitely will be better and better. But there was some nice old building, but it's closed, under renovation. They have a Circle K, but they don't have a 7-Eleven in Vietnam, so similar to Indonesia. So Jollibee, I think this is a Filipino brand of the burger or chickens, like a KFC but from Philippines. I think so. I have a friend who is living permanently in Philippines, and I think I recognize this somehow. Some old buildings here. And yeah, city life, big city life. Like I said, look at the streets, more later, more closer to the sunset, more darker, there will be more busier on the streets. Why this bus have a sound like this? so many people filming buildings, however it is, but I'm interested about the traffic actually, much more about the traffic. Always traffic is the best. Or maybe I'm just weird tourist. Not even like, you know, look how many motorbikes are around. There are many cars, but the motorbikes still in Vietnam. Yeah, okay, look at this one. It's green light, but look how many motorbikes are still going. All right. That's cool. Cool stuff. Wow. That's a big traffic over there. Enjoy a little bit of the traffic. I will take a rest. But I hope so you enjoy, guys. Actually, they don't honk too much, right? Don't you realize that? Normally people honk, but they don't honk that much in Vietnam, in Saigon. Maybe it's changing everything a little bit. I'm surprised this is not that much honks. A little bit, but not that much. Also the traffic lights, red lights, green lights, they have a timer. So that's actually nice, smart. This will be very helpful in Bali if they will have it like that. Maybe one day. Pagio Vespa. I don't know how much is the Vespa in Vietnam, but in Bali it's very expensive for some reason. Oh, this bus is churning here. That's interesting. Check this out. That's the biggest attraction of today's tour. And one more. Come on. Oh, so cool. How'd he make it? What is it? This looks like a wedding or something. All right. I think it's gonna be. No, I'm not sure actually. I don't know. It's going to be dark a little bit. I hope so. The quality of the video is still alright. Most of the people are already tired with making any kind of videos and pictures. Oh, they switch on the lights now in the bus. But anyway, most of the people are already tired. But for me, I'm so happy as I could make this live stream from the bus. Oh, here we go. Very nice church over here. And there is the wedding or mass inside right now. So many churches in Vietnam, that's for sure. Some barbecue restaurant here. Banh out, banh mi. So much selection of food. So many people actually making videos. This first time when I see the restaurant with the loud music outside actually, that's also very interesting. The guy tried to make a video of this, so I put my camera into him. Oh, for sure I am one of the attractions in this bus, that's for sure. Probably I'm gonna appear on someone's thumbnail on the other video, but that's normal. I'm totally fine with that. Especially now when I'm wearing my own t-shirts with my own name. It's better. Actually good. Where is this music coming from? Actually, I hope so, not from the bus. I don't want to get a problem with YouTube, guys. Did you saw it? I was very close. Alright, I think the music is coming from the bus. Maybe because this is less popular part of the city, so the attraction is music. Someone over park. Oh, they have a Burger King actually. Can you imagine during my trip in Vietnam, I only eat Vietnamese food. I didn't have anything Western yet. I didn't have a burger for sure, and I don't remember if I had any pizza yet. So that's very interesting. But definitely food in Vietnam is much way better than in Bali and in Indonesia in general. Especially as there are not much dishes with rice, mostly bread and noodles and any kind of barbecues, so that's the big difference. And for me actually food is better. Many of you may don't disagree with me, but Vietnamese food for me definitely better. I really like it. Central market, however, closed. Nothing is happening here. I think many markets get... Oh, market is actually down there. That's interesting. What is that? I think this is Chinatown. The entrance to the Chinatown in Saigon. Some Grab driver offered me to go to Chinatown area, however, not much time anymore today. On different occasion, that's for sure, guys. So yeah, that's how it looks like. What time is it? I think it's gonna be soon slowly finished, however, I'm not sure. Totally have no idea where I am in Saigon, that's for sure. But where? Look at this bus. Also, they have a city bikes here, check this out. You could rent. If they will have electric scooters, like, you know what I mean, like electric scooters, that will be great. I will really have it. I will really rent and have it drive, but the push bike, it's a bit too hard, I think. Oh yeah, will be finished. This is the center. What was I said at the beginning, there is the huge construction. So we are going back very slowly. So yeah, last shots from the bus. But stay with me, guys, stay with me. You never know what's interesting might happen in just 1 minute. In 1 second. Tos les jours café. So many French accents around, that's for sure. Oh my god, they have a McDonald's, I found this, but no, not on this occasion. Okay, this is the loud bikes, this is the construction little bit. Not sure what they are building here, but they are building something, that's for sure. And here also. Wow, look at this. Alright, so the construction on the one side, they're building something, and the construction on the other side, they're building something. I'm not sure it's gonna be condominiums, or there will be a hotel, or there will be what will be here. But so much development in Vietnam, that's unbelievable, guys. Really a lot. And I think somewhere here is the bank where I used to stay first time in the first 2 days. Not bank, sorry, hotel. But anyway, I'm impressed about so much development in Saigon. That's unbelievable. Even these people talking about that, as there is some sort of developments. Unfortunately, in Vietnamese have no idea what they are doing here. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the market where I used to stay, where I used to vlog in the first day in Vietnam. If you remember, you can watch it if you missed this. So I'm on the other side. But this is all driving around District 1 in Vietnam, in Saigon. There are actually so many districts here. The districts are taken from the similar system like in France and in Paris, for example. They are also districts. They are nice building actually at the front, really nice. There must be helipad on the top. Interesting. And this is like a bus station, seems like, bus station, but I look at this. The guy didn't stop yet, but already opened the door. People have to be in rush, no time for waiting. Nobody gonna waste the time, right? Oh, 40 seconds for the red light, guys. Sorry about that. But bear with me, guys. Stay with me. A little bit of the skyscrapers in Saigon. They are. Oh, no, Nam Ebang. I thought it's at the beginning this is Mama Bang, but it's Nam Ebang. All right. Whew. 15 seconds. So tiring, actually. I don't know if I'm already tired or is the air pollution a little bit high. Feel really already tired. But last 3 weeks I was making, I'm making videos every day since the last over 2 years, but then you travel is actually a little bit different, a little bit more tiring, I could say. Look at this in Nova. So if you ask me about the road laws in Vietnam, in Saigon, I have no idea. There's a little bit more street signs than in Bali, but after that, I don't know, probably the same like in Bali. They are the rules, but yeah. Why people now stand up and making picture of what? This building or this building? This one is actually impressive. There must be a nice car or something, I don't know. Definitely many people are talking about this building, that's for sure. Junction. This is what I like. This must be a mall here. Little shame I didn't go to the mall in Vietnam. I didn't vlog too much malls, even in Singapore even they have it. But in Vietnam I didn't been in the mall even one. That's a little bit shame, but it's okay. Next occasion, guys. Some market or something. Okay, one more look on this building. Everybody talking about this building. I don't know why, but it's nice, especially this helipad. And that's right. I didn't been Saigon Sky Deck. I think this is the sky deck. When somebody told me I have to go for watching to the bar there. This is like equivalent of Marina Bay Sands in Vietnam, but Saigon edition. Again, I didn't have enough time for everything. Such a shame. Okay, and for sure I didn't been in this part of Saigon either. There's water at the front, there's some boat, and the bus probably wanna join this direction. So that's interesting. Another building under construction. It's gonna look like this. This nice ship, galera, over there. And the traffic. Very nice bridge. You see, and luckiest I took this bus because I missed this part of Saigon. Totally I missed. I didn't know about the existence of this. So that's actually, you see, you learn something new every day, every time. Even you thought this is already, I show everything, I didn't show seen it. Wow, nice Lincoln here. We have a nice cars in Vietnam actually. Very nice. If you are coming from America, you see these cars every day, but if you're living in Asia, it's very rare. Meanwhile, the traffic, pollution is really hard. That's unbelievable. A little bit of the Lincoln shot. Another condominiums, I think, there. This ship, if I will have a time to see this ship on the next occasion. This one at the front, the wooden one, the galera. Next time, not everything in the same time. At least I will have opportunity to come back to Vietnam and show you more about. right? So much is happening in Saigon. Seriously, like, there's the river, but not much water. So there are some green stuff, some old building at the front. Beautiful sunset actually right now. Very nice, nice sky. Definitely pollution is very hard. I can feel it. These people talk a lot. This is the building skyline. I have to go there next time. Okay, I will go next time, that's for sure. I was thinking we're gonna go to the center, but it seems like, I don't know, it's taking actually quite a longer while, so that's good. I will show you a little bit of the traffic at the front. Bear with me, guys. Need to take a little break from the talking. Wow. Lucky I take a tour actually during this time when it's so busy. So I have opportunity to show you the real Saigon traffic. Real Saigon traffic actually. Seriously, guys. This one seems like another building, like a museum, or maybe not. So much traffic around. I hope so you're not bored with the traffic, watching the traffic in Saigon. It's very interesting. So much grabs and everything around. The bus driver seems like he struggled a lot today. Maybe at the front somebody drives slowly. And these people still talking about this building. That's unbelievable. Alright, it's going to be dark soon. Pardon me. This ship over there. There must be a restaurant similar like in the Da Nang, but with the old bridge. Okay, everybody going straight, me turning right here. See, there are some signs and some rules here. Like I said, Jade Palace. Nice looking hotel, I think. Some more and more food options on the street. More later, more people eating. That's very similar. Hello. Very nice. People are friendly in Vietnam, that's for sure. So much. Yo. It's good to be in the tourist spot. So cool. Oh, the driver making some moves. Where are we going now? Where we are now? Another construction. Construction renovation. Some center. Oh, nice flowers. Nice street. We actually took the circle around. I'm on driving around. I think I saw it already before, this area. But it must be some view over there, maybe about the ship. or traffic or this building, sky deck. I remember I saw this construction before, that's for sure. The flowers looks nice, the trees. MG is back now. That's very interesting. This is the car, the Lincoln. Also the scooters are different in Vietnam. I think I already mentioned last time. So we are going back the same road. Alright. Where we are going? Saigon Princess. Maybe we're gonna have a view of this boat, what I didn't show you, right? This is like a docks or something like that. Very interesting, maybe he read my mind, but I don't think so. We can drive around, and I think so, I hope so. There is not stopping the finish of the tour here. I want to come back to the center because I don't know if there will be any taxi here to take it back. I hope so, no, right? The galera is over there, so I don't know what is going on. Do we gonna drive there, or do we gonna stop here just to making pictures? I'm not sure about that, but I'm gonna have a look little bit just to show you. The ship is over there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Maybe you can go, or we can leave, or we're gonna wait. I'm not sure. So we'll stay here for a while. Let's see, let's see. Most of the people left, not sure what's going on. I will go also with them. Interesting, interesting. Let's see if it's, oh, ow, 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 ow. That was painful. Well, I don't know. This is the end of the tour. This is the bus. How does it look like? Right? You can have a look. People are outside making. This is the languages. Vietnamese, English, Russian, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Indonesian, French, German, Spanish, European Union, and I don't know what's the other flag. So that's interesting. So I have totally no idea what's going on. People going, I'm gonna follow these people with the GoPro, because seems like they know what they are doing. So if they know what they are doing, that's good. This is the ship. So I don't know actually if you can go there or not. Little bit confusing, guys. So sorry about that. There's the ship, that's for sure. Waiting for the other people so I will know what they are doing. The bus is waiting. Because the problem is nobody said actually what we are doing, right? And that's the little problem. And I'm not sure if we are allowed to go there. So, sorry about that, guys. That's interesting. Where is the ship? Not sure, not sure. Anyway, this guy looks a little bit like Leslie Chow from the movie. I don't know. Nobody go anywhere, so I think that's it. I think we're gonna come back to the bus. This was just like a little break, so I'm just gonna come back to the bus. Oh, that's the cigarette break actually, but definitely nobody going anywhere. These people from the different bus. Cigarette break is finished. I think you could go leave the bus or continue driving. I'm gonna continue, just I don't wanna hit myself anywhere. I wanna come back to the center don't want to stuck here. So here you go. Little bit misinformation. Keep it in mind, better stick to the bus, except you wanna stuck. So these people actually left, some of them, and I think they're gonna stay here, maybe go with different bus. I'm gonna come back. Check this out. This is the skill of driving. You're gonna do the U-turn here, like this, and like this. Oh, it's good, but this driver. Trust, you can still go. Yeah, but the bike's passing. That's crazy stuff, right? Being a driver here, bus driver, must be not easy. So he's doing the U-turn. I wonder if this Avanza actually gonna make it. Of course. Look at him, he's trying to make it. He's doing this. The skill. That was the skill. Alright, I hope so. We're going to the center. I'd rather stay on the bus. Sometimes I have like a little cough, but this is about the pollution or something. I didn't have it before for sure, so it's nothing what you may think. Don't you worry, guys. So anyway, this is the place. Saigon Holiday Lotus Cruises. And the names of the companies, in case if you're interested. And I think we're gonna go back to the center right now. So this tour is actually longer than I was expecting, guys. And the life is also longer than I was expecting. I hope so you still bear with me. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be finished. Meanwhile, you can see actually Saigon by day and Saigon by night because we changed the weather conditions. But I'm gonna have a seat maybe right now. Already a little bit of relax. Hold on, I need to change the hands. Here we go. And again, this building. Actually, I'm not sure if it's open. It's very dark in the sky deck. Sky deck's supposed to be there, right? Seems like in general it's very dark in this building. Not many lights are on. So honestly, I'm not sure even if it's open to get there because some things are just simply closed still. The view. This is like a marina a little bit, I could say. Marina area. Wow, and the traffic is back. Like I said, traffic in Vietnam, in Saigon, is for sure more later at night. There will be more busier. So many flags here. There is Polish one, no, it's Singaporean, Thai, and that's maybe Indonesian, Brunei. That must be ASEAN countries, something. SCB, this bank is good for withdrawing money. I was withdrawing this money and it's like 2 million limit, but works all the time. Unfortunately, other banks doesn't work for me. At least this one, what I tried. Nice looking building here. Must be hotel or something, and nice looking traffic as well. This must be like still somewhere in the city center. So much motorbikes. So much cars. There are more fancy restaurants here actually, I think. Ronam Bistro. Definitely. Riverside Hotel. Must be nice something. Nice looking place. Liberty Central. Oh, I missed the marina. Marina view over there. Something like that. Renaissance, Riverside, Resort Saigon, Hotel Saigon. So this is the place where the most fancy hotels in Saigon, I think. Like Renaissance, Mailing Point, something different, nice looking building, some statue here. Nice looking places. Dang. This must be somewhere in the city center. Also, I didn't saw it before. Like I said, there's so much things in Saigon. This is big city anyway. Vietnam actually is not that small country. There are 19 million people living in Vietnam. And I believe everyone have a bike or car. But that's very similar, very common thing in Southeast Asia actually in general. Times Square. Let's see. Also, I just realized now, maybe it was actually better to taking a tour at night, like take a night or 9 or 10 p.m. tour. I think the last one is at 11, so you could finish at midnight. So there will be less traffic and there will be not so hot at the same time. But I took the sunset time, which is actually the most traffic one. So yeah. But it's nice. That is nice, that's for sure. Just a little bit tiring. I'm not walking, but I'm tired. But this one is nice center. Just wonder where we are going. Nice looking building at the front, Meline Point, sorry. Meline Point. There is construction. And there is like a nice looking building. This one with the Starbucks on it. Another bus. Actually the bus honk a lot. It's very nice. Renaissance Hotel. I heard it's very nice hotel in Saigon. I'm going back. So it's basically you're taking this bus for $7 and you have a sightseeing around city center. But this city center is actually quite big. I mean, I was expecting it's much shorter. I mean, it's positive surprise anyways. But it's maybe taking a little bit longer because of the traffic situation, right? There's some music, there is some party. Back down, speed ferry. There must be restaurants like a marina style restaurants. Also so many people. Not mention about the traffic. Some seafood. Enjoyed a little bit of the traffic in Saigon, guys. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful, the traffic like this? Like Asian traffic. Hotel Majestic or Majestic. With the street. Over here, so many cafes. But I believe this is more fancy part of Saigon city. Looks nice, looks really nice. I think somebody got pissed off I think when the traffic is getting sorry guys, I think when the traffic is getting more busy, the people start getting annoyed and they start honking. So that's how it made work. This is some sort of track here. And I really hope, oh, this is the skip track, a little bit smelly. But I hope so. We're going to the center right now. This is like a central district of Saigon. Little bit looks like a business district with the headquarters of some companies and the banks, obviously. Oh, now it's colorful street. Hold on. I will change position maybe into this way. Hold on a second, guys. I will move to this one. Hold on. Again, another scene with the live performance. Now I'm confused. Maybe I used to be actually here last time, but sitting on the other side, right? Or maybe not. I don't remember actually. But that must be a lot of things happening in Saigon anyway. Times Square. Actually, now I'm thinking I was somewhere around here. And this is actually around where we are going to finish the tour, I think, by bus. This is like a city center. I think there is the palace already. Saigon Garden Emirates. Nice looking restaurant. Oh yeah, I remember this building. Yes, I was here already, long time. So actually last time when I was on the first day in Saigon, I was very close to the marina, but I didn't know that and I didn't go. So yeah, but was busier at that time. Now it's definitely much more quieter. But I was like at 10 p.m. now. It's like not that time. Not sure actually what time is it now. Also there's time difference. And I also feel the rain is starting. I hope so. We're gonna get to the rain is starting and everybody already know that. So everybody already going.
Mưa.
Yeah.
Mưa. Biết không?
Yeah. The guy I think told me it's rain, but at the same time it's end of the trip. Somewhere here. I hope so. Okay. I have to get out. Everything is on time. Everything is on time. Everything is like supposed to be. Not sure if it's end of the trip here or it's just the rain or the tree. I have to be careful. I'm just gonna take my hat to give them back because I left it here. It's actually on the floor. And I hope so I'm gonna get some taxi. Oh my god. Also interesting fact, guys, there is the problem with the taxis in Grab in the last 2 days. Waiting time is very long, like wait for 10 minutes or something. 10 minutes, so let's hope so. Okay, bear with me, guys. Yeah, thank you so much, my friend. All right, and this is the end of my virtual reality tour trip. That was the bus. $7, highly recommended. There's some music. I have to get out from this before I gonna get cut. But you know what, guys? Very nice, totally worth it for $7. Highly recommended thing. What time? Maybe this depends of personal thing, which time you prefer more, but definitely worth it. Okay, I hope so I can grab the taxi here in this corner. Somewhere over here. Hold on a second. Need to find the spot where I can talk a little bit. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna order Grab, gonna back hotel tomorrow morning. I'm flying to Bali, so I'm gonna film my journey from Vietnam to Bali. I hope so you're gonna bear with me. Thank you so much for watching today's live. I hope so you enjoyed. Thank you so much for everything, and I will see you tomorrow on next one. Meanwhile, I'm gonna keep, as always, 2, 3, 5 minutes to watching the street, so you can say goodbye during the live chat And thank you so much. See you on tomorrow. See ya. Take care. Seems like hard to get a driver. That's how it is. Busy times. Oh, here we go. I got somebody. Hyundai Grand i10. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.